The launch of the Reno 2 series in the Philippines also marked its official takeover of the very popular F series as OPPO's mid-range lineup. To cater to a broader range of consumers, the company released not one, but two of the Reno devices to the local market. The more premium caters to those who want a tool for telling their stories through creative videos. And then there's the one we're looking at today. It's the slightly toned down and more affordable of the two. Hi guys, Evan here of GadgetPilipinas.net, and today we are unboxing the OPPO Reno 2F. Reno 2F boasts mostly the same design language as the Reno 2. That means you get a full screen display with no notch or punch holes and a camera module that doesn't protrude, leading to a more seamless look. It also has the O-Dot, which keeps the phone steady when laying flat on its back. You also get an accentuated power button on the right and the volume rocker and SIM tray on the left. It packs a USB-C port, a headphone jack, and then a display fingerprint scanner. Like the Reno 2, this one also has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The first Reno had one of the better displays we've seen on the mid-range, and so is this one. Colors are punchy, text is sharp, and brightness is more than ample. While it sports 4 rear cameras, the setup is quite different from the Reno 2. You get a 48-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Up front, it uses a more traditional design for its 16-megapixel front snapper. Our first couple of snaps show good detail and sharpness, along with decent separation between subject and background. We'll be taking more samples to properly score this one. It also misses out on some features you'll find on the more premium variant, such as Ultra Steady Mode and 4K video recording. Reno 2F runs on Color OS 6.1 on top of Android 9 Pie and has most of the core features you'll find on the more premium variant, including Game Space and Game Assistant for screenshots and screen recording. Another cool feature is the ability to change the color of the front camera module when it activates or retracts. This makes it easier to match with your wallpaper, accessories, or theme. Moving on to the rest of the specs, the Reno 2F houses an octa-core Helio P70 along with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The phone was able to run COD Mobile at its highest available setting with no issues. Lastly, Reno 2 packs a 4000 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 flash charge. It currently retails for 19,990 pesos. So that was our unboxing and first impressions of the OPPO Reno 2F. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and do check out our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Once again, this is Eman from Gadget Pilipinas, and thank you for watching.